8 ideas, 1 stage, and 2.5 lakhs prize pool money on the line. A very warm welcome to the grand finale of Scaler School of Technology's Pitch Challenge 2025, brought to you by ECEL SSP.
मुझे यही पूछना है कि ये मेरा लैब रिपोर्ट है, इसमें क्या सही है क्या गलत है।
मेटा का एपीआई आपके लिए लोकल अपॉइंट बुक कर सकता है, बट मैं कर सकता हूँ।
But before we dive in, let's talk about how these teams made it here. Out of 53 applications packed with creativity, courage, and bold business ideas,
right now we are giving the complete context to the Claude.
You can experience unreal magic on your 2 weeks.
कॉल सेंटर पे फोन करके ये तो नहीं बोलूंगा ना कि मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, क्या मुझे ये मेरी रिपोर्ट क्या कहती है।
only the top 8 made it to the finale.
Each team will be judged on mission critical parameters. First one is problem clarity.
We are building health environment, giving people their personalized AI doctor.
Next one is solution and innovation.
People get shocked. How is that button impossible?
Third parameter is market understanding.
This is close to 20% of the salary being consumed in just one task.
Fourth point is execution and feasibility. Now, let's meet the ones who hold the power to turn these ideas into opportunities.
First up, we have Bhavin Rathod. He's leading Scale AI India, has built Uber and Uber Eats in India.
What do you think this product drives in terms of higher completion rate?
Next, we have Subhash Chaudhary, the brain behind India's fastest growing SaaS platform, Dukaan. And finally joining us, Abhimanyu Saxena,
Co-founder of Scaler, a serial entrepreneur who started his career from fab.com.
So, let's now get the event going, shall we? Kicking off today's lineup is a team that isn't trying to reinvent the education system. They're trying to supercharge it.
I'm Ayush. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 19 years old.
Hi, I'm Anushka. I'm from Bangalore and I'm a content creator myself.
My name is Siddhant and I'm from Delhi.
Team name is Gradonics, and which is also my product name.
It all started with a hackathon idea.
My friend in my group, whose father is a teacher himself, so he also told us, what problems he actually faced when he, grades paper.
And I resonated with it, and that's how I joined the team.
I used to evaluate his papers, and I personally felt the human effort it does take. That made my mind think about this problem that there is biasness and people's career are behind it, so it has to be fair. So that's what I came up with this idea.
So every year, more than 213 hours are spent by a teacher on just this evaluation process. This is close to 20% of the salary being consumed in just one task. Moreover, more than 80% of the students have said personalized feedbacks help them getting better. But in real life, very few of them get it.
What if I told you that we have a solution? Gradonics automates the entire grading process. We calculate the mark, evaluate, give insights and feedback according to the institution's needs.
Now I will show you a live demonstration of how Gradonics actually grades. So this is a evaluator dashboard. Here you will create a new test. You will upload the question paper made by the teacher. Then you'll upload the model answer also made by the teacher. And then finally you'll upload student answer sheet, and let's name this as a midterm and upload the test files. Now you can see your test is created. Here you can see the complete analysis. You can also see question wise that how the student has scored, the key strengths and areas of improvement where the students can improve, difficulty breakdown on where the question was on the difficult side or on the easier side, and moreover you get question wise analysis, the mistakes made by the student, and also where the student can improve.
Right? Maybe I'll start off with a question. I think the question I had was more on the pricing. Why do you think you need to be cheaper?
For UPSC coachings, we are cheaper because they charge.
No, why do you think you need to be cheaper? You are offering a solution that's 95% faster. The accuracy is a lot higher. You're giving more detailed feedback, more than what a human teacher would give. Why would you want to be?
Because we also want to penetrate inside the school and boards, and they are offering, as like my father is a teacher, so he told me they give 7 to 8 rupees per copy, and in CBSE they give around 25. So to penetrate inside that, we have to keep our prices low.
What is the cost for this? What is our cost per copyright?
We are our cost which we give is 3 rupees.
No, our cost. What is your cost?
What is your cost to generate?
Per page is 3 rupees.
Intercopy.
Yeah.
3 rupees per page.
Per page for
Intercopy,
front
I'm
facing.
asking. Intercopy.
Copy if
The entire sheet, right? The entire thing. Yeah.
like 50 pages, so we get around 150 rupees. But we'll cut down that by fine tuning it, or maybe you
What
can
will fine tune?
how will
Fine
fine
tuning
tune?
will not reduce the number of tokens that you consume, correct?
We can reduce, like we can give better. We can use batch API, so that if it can do the job in 24 hours.
Which model are you using right now?
Claude 3.5.
It can be done with a cheaper model also, right?
Yes, right. We can cut down the prices even when we fine tune it further. Like we would run 10 to 15,000 tests, and then we'll reduce the credit number of tokens used.
Do you have to use Vision API or you have to use Vision API, right?
Yes, in V1 we are using to get more accurate annotations.
Like sometimes teachers, they do need certain keywords rather than focusing on other things. What you might ask AI, it might return something else. You are searching for those keywords, so that's why we actually need model answers in our case.
All right, great job. Thank you.
Good problem.
If I just have to look on the presentation style, they're probably one of the best ones.
Yeah. Teacher who has to grade.
Take it up.
Take it up.
Confidence of the presentation, the demo, the most polished presentation.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है आप अपने फेवरेट कैरेक्टर या आइडल से सीधा बात कर सकते हैं? वीडियो कॉल या वॉइस चैट के थ्रू इंटरेक्ट करना हर किसी फाइन का सपना है।
आज के टूल्स सिर्फ प्री कोडेड एनिमेशन और टेक्स्टुअल चैटबॉट्स हैं।
और यही गैप फिल करता है Plebs.ai।
Hello everyone, I am Sohar.
I am Anurag.
And together we are building Plebs.ai, an AI with a voice, face and soul. Introducing ourselves, I am a GSOC contributor at Chromium this year. I have delivered 40 plus clients as a freelancer in the past 5 years of my contract. I have worked with Build and Augusta AI as a backend engineer.
I am a Kaggle master and an experienced AI developer and researcher. I have published a couple of papers on speech-to-speech infra. Also, I have worked for Kivio and Every AI.
अनुराग, हम ऐसा क्या पिच करें कि हमारे सारे जजेस को हमारी पिच हमेशा याद रहे?
We can try one thing. Let's give the demo. अपने प्रोडक्ट का डेमो उनसे ही करवाते हैं.
Okay. So introducing SIA. SIA stands for Speech Interfacing Agent. It's a custom-made agent, a bot made by us, which is going to sell for Plebs.ai.
Hi, what are you selling to us?
Hey, I am Sia, your conversational AI guide. We are offering Plebs.ai, a next-generation conversational AI platform that engages your customers through natural voice and video interactions, handling sales, marketing, and support 24/7. Exciting, right?
Okay.
Hey, I am Sia, your conversational AI guide. Let me introduce you to our idea. Imagine your customers interacting with your product, talking to a real person, except they're not human. This is Plebs.ai. How can I assist you today?
Can you help me book a flight from Bangalore to Mumbai today?
I can book flights. However, I recommend using a travel app or website for quick booking. If you are looking for more information on travel, feel free to ask.
Can you help me with good places to visit in Mumbai this week?
For a week in Mumbai, consider visiting one. Gateway of India Zoo, Marine Drive 3, Elephanta Caves.
Cool stuff.
इस समय मार्केट में स्टैटिक चैटबॉट्स हैं, वो बहुत ही रिप्लेनिश आंसर देते हैं. उनके पास माइंड नहीं होता, ना ही सोचने की क्षमता होती है. सेम चीज़ हमारी अदर इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर भी है. जैसे काफ़ी इंडस्ट्रीज स्ट्रगल कर रही है सेल्स और मार्केटिंग के अंदर अपने आप को आउटरीच करने के लिए. वो हाई कॉस्ट बियर करते हैं एक मीडियोकर रिजल्ट के लिए. सेम थिंग हैपन्स अगेन विद एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, मार्केटिंग, हर जगह you feel mediocrity when human intervene is lot.
To tackle this particular problem, we came out with 3 solutions. Number one thing is in-house model. So we have in-house voice model and in-house video model. Currently, in-house voice model is something which you can see it's working.
One second. Yeah. How does in-house helps without not in-house?
Number one thing, it's costing factor.
Yours will be cheaper.
Definitely.
What's your cost per minute for?
For audio generation, it's 0.83 minute. We are charging with the customer. And for generation,
we charging
$80 per minute.
कितना होता है वो?
Around 68 rupees के आसपास.
That is what we're
so
charging.
and for now add LLM?
Everything included. For the entire process.
So that's like
we're charging
62 rupees per minute,
0.83.
correct?
Yeah.
Do you know how much it costs to get 1 minute of conversation in India from call center?
That's around like rupees 5 or rupees 10 for 1 minute of call.
और कम करो. और कम करो उसको.
1 or 2 rupees.
Now, if I already have humans doing call center at 2 rupees per minute, why will I use your service to add 80 rupees?
Okay, we are not providing just this voice services. We are providing a service where you can create your own characters.
What I will do with character? Every human is a different character. किसका लड़ाई हुआ बेबी से आज, वो अलग character में रहता है. literally building for sales and marketing, correct?
Yeah, like our
That is done
target
by call
market
centers.
initiate with sales and marketing.
That is done by call centers today.
Yeah.
What is the cost?
Per minute for 2 rupees, as you
Correct.
mentioned. Yeah.
Now, if I use your service for sales and marketing, how much it will cost me?
Yeah, it will cost you 68 rupees per minute.
Why would I use your service? What better your service will do, which the humans can't do today?
Humans may have mood, humans may have capabilities, but AI don't have. AI will perform at its best capability every time.
Like, what is that capability? What is that capability?
To outreach to humans, to understand the problem.
भाई समझ प्रॉब्लम समझ रहा है क्या? लोगों को फोन करना है कि सर साबुन खरीद लो, करेक्ट था?
Yes.
ये काम या इंश्योरेंस खरीद लो, कार खरीद लो, क्रेडिट कार्ड खरीद लो, ये काम एआई इंसानों से बेटर कैसे कर सकता है? सिंपल सवाल पूछ लो।
So इंसान जो है एक स्पेसिफिक रीजन से बाउंडेड होता है।
क्या रीजन से बाउंडेड होता है?
If I normally I live in Gujarat, so for me गुजराती, हिंदी and English is a way of communication मैं कर सकता हूँ। But for AI multi language support we are providing जिसमें
मल्टी लैंग्वेज कॉल सेंटर्स होते हैं, राइट? जहाँ पे मतलब बेंगलोर में तुम कहाँ से आते हो?
we need to हमको ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि उसमें खर्चा कितना होता है।
कितना खर्चा होता है तुम बताओ? आज के रेट में कॉल सेंटर एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी कितना होता है?
See, I think what can work better, potentially, from at least what I can see, again, I'm not expert in this space, but let's say 3 of us are call center agents and we have thousands of leads to call in a month. Number one thing I need to figure out is the fact that who are the leads that are likely to convert the most. So I need lead qualification. Now, if the agent can behave like me and behave like Abhimanyu, call the 1,000 people on my behalf and say, okay, here are the 100 people that have a high intent basis the responses. After that, Abhimanyu actually calls himself as a human to those 100. So there's consistency in what the user hears.
That too at the cost, because this right now I'm doing anyway.
Right.
Every single B2B sales company is doing exactly the same thing. So right now your cost is 0.06.
Yes.
Now sorry, Chauhan, that's still 54 rupees per minute.
No. 0.06. It's लगभग 5 रुपए।
भाई मेरे तुम्हारा मैथ गलत है।
0.40 कॉस्टिंग है हमारी।
0.40 $40 40 सेंट्स।
40 सेंट्स जिसमें ट्विलियो का इंटीग्रेशन हो या फिर किसी
ट्विलियो इंडिया है, ट्विलियो यूएस है। ट्विलियो कॉल इंडिया में आएगा, यूएस में आएगा। प्राइसिंग मुझे समझना है भाई, प्राइसिंग तुम्हारा प्राइसिंग क्लियर नहीं तुमको। ट्विलियो का प्राइसिंग हर एक कंट्री के अलग है, पता है क्या तुमको?
0.83 पे हम बेच रहे हैं।
या लाइक उसमें मार्जिन भी अंदर है उसका पूरा, लाइक वो ओवरऑल कॉस्ट
6 cents is their total cost including Twilio, and they're selling at 38 cents.
Have you able to sell to someone?
Yeah, we are selling to which is a company which makes cotton mills के अंदर काम करती है, सेल्स के लिए कपड़े बेचने हैं उनको।
कितना कॉल, क्या कॉल वॉल्यूम है उनका? हाँ? What is the call volume that they have?
They have call volume around 1,000 calls per day.
And they are giving you 80 rupees per call.
Yeah, they are giving $5,999 per month.
$6,000 and they do 1,000 calls a day.
Yes.
Okay, so that's about 0.2.
No, our model depends, like our budget here depends on the minutes of calls. Yeah. We provide 7,200 minutes of calls on जिसमें वॉइस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एंड 1,400 मिनट्स ऑफ वॉइस वीडियो इंडिकेशन देना है किसी को, तो वो बाइजिंग के उस हिसाब से उन्होंने लिया है अभी।
सो ये सर्विस वो यूज कर रहा है? आर यू टेलिंग मी दैट कि ये सर्विस जो मैं
नहीं, ये सर्विस यूज नहीं कर रहा है, ये एक प्रोडक्शन है जो आपको दिखाने आए थे यहाँ पे। हमारे पास एक्सटर्नल ऑन द टीटीएस साइड वी आर हैविंग मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस।
फॉर नाउ हम क्या करते हैं कि वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ओवर मॉडल टू, बट द थिंग इज मॉडल जितना हम उससे बात करेंगे इट विल ट्रेन।
ऐसा नहीं होता।
उसके साथ साथ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग 11 लैब्स, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग
ऑन द टीटीएस सर्विस, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग
ऑप्शंस। दैट्स
ऑप्शन चाहिए तो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग एज अ प्लगइन, बट as up to present today we want everything to be our own, to just understand कि हम कहाँ stand कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है, understood, clear, बढ़िया। This is a good space, very good space.
Very good space.
Just
you
pricing
guys are very audacious also. Really cool to see you guys being that bold in taking that step forward. I think that's very impressive. I think they need to understand specifically what they're targeting. Like I think it works for lead qualification. I don't think it really necessarily works today for sales. I also thought from presentation perspective they're not as strong. They've actually become very defensive.
They're trying to justify, why this is
so when you're at the stage here, you also have to take that feedback.
I felt iterate, na? Everything is not perfect here. Very good product if they can execute well.
Good evening, judges. We are building Health Nivaran, giving people their personalized AI doctor. In India, over 80% of healthcare journey starts with a Google search. And there's a very famous saying in India that if you want to live peacefully and happily in India, you need 3 contacts in your mobile phone. One is doctor, one is lawyer, and one is politician. Everything that I can ask on a WhatsApp contact number of if I am having a doctor of my चाचा का लड़का.
मम्मी बीमार है, उसको बोलोगे क्या यूज करने के लिए? मैं प्रैक्टिकली पूछ रहा हूँ, अपनी मम्मी से करवाओगे क्या?
हाँ.